Friends, today we are going to see how to make base from this double bearing assembly. This is the base. Now we have to make this base. For that we are going to make first this sketch. Now let's start it. Make sketch as shown in figure. Select this line, then make sketch. Use this command to make one circle. And then escape. The sketch is already selected, so use this mirror command and make it mirror. Now let's give dimensions to it. Click on this constraint command. See, all dimensions are given here. From that we are going to give dimensions. So dimension between this and this circle is given as 35. Distance between this point to this line is 22.5. Not 22.5, 17.5. After that, 17.5. After that, distance between this line to this line is 10, and distance between this to this is 5. Similarly, distance between this to this is 15. After that, distance between this point to this point is given as 45. Then now distance between this point to this line is given as 22.5. After that, distance between this point to this point is given as 5, but it was horizontal. You can see here the horizontal distance is given as 5. So just select those 2 points, then right click on your mouse button and then horizontal measure distance, so it must be 5. After that, let's give dimension to this circle. It was 7.5. And now let's give constraint. Select this point and this line and give constraint as coincide. Then click on OK. Now our whole sketch is in green color, so it is fully constrained. Go on exit to workbench. Select this pad command. Now we are going to use this mirror extend, so we will get our axis at the center of whole product. Then we are going to use here 30 divided by 2 because we want equally separated body to both of the side. So you can see here the plane is at the mirror, the plane is at the center, and body is divided into 2 parts equally. Now we are going to sketch on this surface, so select it and then sketch option. After that, we are going to make this part. So first go on projection, so it will be very easy to make sketch. Now select that circle command, then make one circle who will intersect to this circle. Now give constraint. Dimension of this circle is 25 as a diameter. After that, select this line command, make one straight line from here and then extend it till this yellow line. Now the distance between this line to this line is given as 15 divided by 2. So use this constraint option, select this axis with this line, and it is 15 divided by 2. After that, this line is in white color, so I am going to use constraint command. First select this line, then go on constraint, and then it must be horizontal, then OK. Now we are using this trim command to trim extra parts. Now select this sketch by using control command, control button. Sorry. After that, click on mirror and select axis. After that, exit to workbench and use this pad command. Given length is 5 for one side and enter it. After that, go on mirror again. Then here is mirroring element. We have to mirror along this plane, so I am selecting it, and then OK. We have the sketch is created for both the side by using mirror command. Now holes are given here, so we are going to make holes. Let's make holes. So select this surface and then go on sketch option, then make first one circle of diameter 4.5. It's already given in figure. Then again go on constraint option. Distance between this line to this line is given at 7.5, and distance between this point to this point is given as 5. This to this is given as 5. Now we are going to use again mirror command. First select this, then use this mirror, select axis. Again use mirror command. Select circle, then use mirror, and again similarly circle, mirror, and axis. Now we are going to make one circle here of same diameter of 4.5. After that, the center point and this line are collinear, so use this constraint, coincide, then coincide it and it OK. After that, again mirror, and we have done with our sketch. After that, go on exit to workbench. The where is the, see the deep we here already given here, it's already given here that hole must be 15 deep, means we have to create deepness of this hole till 15 mm. So go on this pocket and then write here as 15 and enter it. So you can see our sketch is ready. Thank you.